Hello, my name is John Vuno and I'm the Reservation Superintendent here at Yawgoog Scout Reservation. One of my many responsibilities here is to facilitate the treatment and distribution of water on the reservation. One thing that sets Yawgoog apart from most other camps is we don't supply our water with wells. Water is made from Yawgoog Pond with a surface water treatment plant. The system is crucial to Yawgoog's operation as it feeds all 3 dining halls, showers, latrines, campsites, and it also is beneficial for fire protection. Like anything here at Yawgoog, our drinking water system has a long history. Beneath this rock in the southeast corner of the Tim O'Neill Field, you can see the remains of the first Palmer well from 1916. In 1918, an artesian windmill pump was installed. The original wellhead can be seen underneath a rock beneath these bushes at the 407 trading post. In 1926, a reservoir was dug to supplement the 1918 well. The well went down 28 feet with a 16-foot diameter and then 12 feet deeper with a 30-inch well tile to a ledge. The foundation of this well can currently be seen directly behind me, behind the old pump house. And now let's take a tour of our current pump house. Here are our 2 5-horsepower, 75-gallon per minute pumps, located in what was the original pump house built in 1931. These pumps draw water out of the middle of the pond. We still use the original intake pipe installed in 1931 that is located about 750 feet from the building at a depth of 40 feet below the water's surface. The intake screen sits about 10 feet off the bottom of the pond. From there, the water is pumped from the original pump house upstairs to the new pump house. From here, the raw water is pumped into this pipe, which travels to the filter treatment plant. On its way, we add chlorine for disinfection, soda ash for pH adjustment, polymer and polyaluminum chloride to help aid in coagulation. From here, the raw pond water and chemicals enter the trimite filtration system into our upflow clarifier. Particles in the water stick to the polyaluminum chloride and non-ionic polymer to form flocks. These flocks are then caught in the absorption clarifier, which is a bed of plastic beads that trap the flocks. In short, we're combining small particles and making them bigger and easier to catch in our filter. 95% of the particles are removed in the upflow clarifier. The remaining particles are then removed by a mixed media filter, made up of anthracite coal and various types of sizes of sand media. The turbidity of the finished water is then monitored to ensure the water meets all state and federal drinking water regulations. The water is then stored into one of our 4 10,000-gallon water tanks. Water is then pumped from the storage tanks. It is pumped from one of these 3 pumps, controlled by pressure switches. As demand increases, more pumps kick on into our 6-inch water main, keeping a pressure of 110 psi. Water main is made of cast iron and stretches about a mile long, all the way to Sandy Beach Dining Hall, with various connections stemming off of it. We are currently in the process of switching our 6-inch cast iron water main over to 6-inch PVC to deliver you clearer, cleaner water. Currently, myself, along with Yawgoog Ranger Patrick Trudell, Narragansett Council Ranger Clem Gormley, and former Assistant Reservation Superintendent Justin Lee hold state treatment and distribution water licenses that allow us to operate the plant safely. Thank you for joining me this week. I hope you enjoyed the pump house tour and learned a thing or two along the way about how Yawgoog pond water becomes drinking water.